Hi, my name is Sonia Timko, and I am an educator here for UCSD Extended Studies. And we run a very unique program where we take high school students from all over. They come to UCSD, they get to stay in the dorm, so it's a residential program, and they have 3 weeks to do their own research. Some of the students who really have novel research can work with us to publish in Tier 3. How many people get that opportunity, right? I think that's something really special that adds a little extra to our program.
My name is Owen. I enrolled in the Research Scholars Program, Life on the Edge. I think my favorite thing about the class right now is probably being able to get kind of hands-on experience. We have the opportunity to pick between field work or lab work for our final project, and that kind of gives us our own freedom to either choose to go out and walk around on the beach and look at organisms and how they're interacting with our environment there, or we can bring stuff into the lab and we can do more controlled experiments. We worked on basically how the water temperature affects sea cucumbers, because sea cucumbers are kind of cold-blooded organisms. The temperature around them is what controls their own temperature. When an organism's temperature increases, their metabolic rate increases, and we wanted to know kind of how that would change their behavior and how that would change in the future as global warming kind of affects the ocean more. I had the opportunity to visit UCSD last summer, and I really liked the campus, and I was also really interested in how you can go to UCSD and you still get your degree from Scripps. I like UCSD's campus, and I think this would be an interesting place to go to college also.
My name is Justine Gutierrez. I've been enrolled in the molecular basis of the environment and bioluminescence. We're testing concentrations of microplastics effect on bioluminescent bacteria called A. fischeri, anywhere from 200 micrograms to I think it was 5,000 micrograms. And so we're testing on like petri dishes using pipettes and stuff like that, what the effect will be when we add different concentrations. It's an experiment that's never been done before. It's just like really interesting. You're the first person to like see the data out on the table. Overall, it's been so much fun. Academically, I've learned so much past what I would have learned at my regular school from like a biology class or an AP biology class or something like that. With this experience, I've kind of learned more about college life and time management. You have schoolwork, you have lab work, you have a presentation at the end of the week, you have this lab report due. So it's like diving headfirst into the college experience.